Well, I spent a little time thinking about it last night because I knew you'd ask. And yeah, you know, when I think about it, you look at the power that's behind the cloud solutions out there, the computing that's in these data centers, ubiquitous access to the data. I think the end user computing experience is going to fundamentally change because you're going to have access to so many more services. I think that everything around the about providing that user immersive experience powered by these services is going to change. So think about a whole new set of services for the end user because you now have so much information in, in a data center with all that computing power. The aggregation of data, I think, is going to enable artificial intelligence, especially around assisted technologies, alerts, insights. We'll be able to apply artificial intelligence like we've never been able before, and that is a maturing area technology, but it's going to be enabled by all of these cloud platforms. Cybersecurity spending is going to remain an imperative. Sure. All right, that's not rocket science, but I think that is going to be out there. But I think conventional thinking about cyber is going to disappear. It's going to change radically. We're going to see much greater emphasis on securing the data and less on physical boundaries. As many of us mentioned, the boundaries are disappearing, especially as you get into other people's data centers and so on. We need to secure the data, and those technologies are evolving. The Internet of Things is going to create new cyber and data challenges. And I think, lastly, is we're going to see increased investments also in quantum and neurocomputing. The computing, fundamentally, the computing architecture is changing, and this will drive additional insights and capabilities, especially around cybersecurity. So we need to be thinking about and looking at those technologies because they will have an impact on our future. Excellent.